Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tracking so your retargeting works. First, link Google Ads to Analytics or Tag Manager and confirm billing is active. Then install the global site tag or a Google Tag Manager container site-wide so hits are recorded. Once done, create audience definitions. Use URL contains, event-based triggers, or session thresholds so you only collect relevant users. Make sure to name lists clearly and set membership duration. This determines how long you can re-engage users. Now you'll build the campaign around those lists. Create a new display campaign and choose remarketing as the target. For search, use remarketing lists for search ads if appropriate. Next, attach the specific audience lists you created and set bid strategy, daily budget, and ad schedule so impressions align with user behavior. Upload or create responsive display ads ensuring headlines, images, and logos meet specs. Finally, enable frequency caps and exclusions to avoid ad fatigue and keep costs efficient. You're ready to launch, but first verify tags are firing using Tag Assistant or Analytics real-time reports so lists populate. Once live, monitor CTR, conversions, CPA, and ROAS daily in the first week and adjust bids, audiences, or creatives based on performance. If you see low list sizes or no traffic, troubleshoot. Confirm tag presence on all pages, ensure audience rules aren't too narrow, and extend membership duration if needed. Make iterative changes, test creative variants, and scale winners when metrics improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.